cold, but not record cold. As a matter of fact, the all-time coldest that we've ever experienced since records have been kept here, and that's been since the late 1800s. January of 1994, just over 30 years ago. For a lot of us that were here, this was one of the more significant winter events, and yes, the coldest stretch of weather that we've had since we've been keeping records. 22 below zero. I just actually enjoy looking at a lot of the vehicles, but this is going back, just 30 years ago is when we had the coldest all-time temperature. Meteorologist Dan Tomaso wanted to look at some of the more recent times that we have dropped below 5 below. As we show you, 1963 we hit 5 below, but there was a stretch. It was really a week-long stretch in 94 that we had the coldest temperatures on record for the area too. So 5 below that we had this morning, significant. Matter of fact, I was pretty impressed with how low we got at HIA compared to a lot of other locations that were more near zero. Now, I want to point out Louisville, Perry County, 15 below today, but for a lot of us, we were closer to that zero mark. And notice what it's doing to the Susquehanna River. This is the ABC 27 mountain camera. It is certainly looking like it's locking up. But remember, river ice, that water is still flowing underneath it, making it very, very dangerous. For any concern about ice jams, we would need either significant and fast warming or significant rain, neither of which are in the forecast. So a lot of the times the river ice tends to manage itself. As we show in the radar now, there's nothing locally. But the big headline weather-wise today is the snow that we see across the south. Matter of fact, there are places in New Orleans that have received more snow than what we did on Sunday. Yeah, there are places getting 6-7 inches of snow in New Orleans. I just saw a report, the southern half of Georgia now expecting 1 inch per hour snowfall rates heading into this evening. So really, the cold air has sunk far south enough that even New Orleans right now at about 27, Atlanta's about 22. Short-lived. We're in the middle of it. We get through the next 24 hours, then we begin to kick this cold air out of here. I just want to show you too, when we are this cold, there really isn't much going on. We are back to sunshine tomorrow afternoon, back to sunshine again heading into Thursday. Kind of get the idea for Friday too. So there's Thursday. I just want to quickly show you Friday. So when you're outside, and as long as it's not the wind's not blowing, it's not bad as long as you are dressed in layers. So we're going for lots of sunshine. Yes, a very cold Wednesday, but notice we quickly begin to bounce back. That by the time we hit Sunday, we're back above freezing, and it looks like we stay above freezing heading into next week. I just want to point out too that the extended outlook will show you that temperatures moving into the last week of January shows that we hit 40 degrees. So just a little bit of a heads up there. We do get out of this very cold air quickly.
Okay, thank you, Eric. And we'll be right back.